Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this is just part two of this rotating this diamond. If you didn't watch the first one, you'll be a little lost, but I took our top four, and I'm going to go C and put them all equally. Then I need to distribute them, and that was what the problem was earlier. So I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to open up Windows Dockers, align and distribute. And I'm going to go to this one right here, and it distributed them equally perfect. So now all you have to do is take these and go ahead and group them and hit P, put them in the center of the page. And then while you've got that, hold down the shift key and select your circle and then hit T. Now I'm going to change it to 0.5 of an inch, and I'm going to 0.5 of an inch of them down. This will be a lot quicker, a lot easier, I think. Go to Object and Group and Ungroup. Now you've got Individual. Go to Windows Dockers Transform or Transformation. Double click on this and put the rotation in the center of the page. And I always double check. And then you've got this set on 44. This is how quick this is going to be. Grab that one, move the center rotation in the center. Rotate it 4 degrees. And then hit that. This one's back to not having to do the 4 degrees. Move it to the center of the rotation. Center of the page. Don't have to do anything, wham. This one we have to do 4 degrees. But so every other one you need to do 4 degrees first. And then hit that. I mean, look at that. Now, there might not be spaced out. They're spaced out equally. But it's just another way to do it. Then just keep doing. And I might be a little bit too big with a 1/2 inch. Now, I failed to kind of mention earlier. Well, let's do one I did earlier. And this one right here. And I mean, I went pretty small. It is pretty good. It's a nice one. But let's say you need it smaller, bigger. All you have to do is increase it. You know, this is set on, let's say you want it 15 by 15. Now you've got the same thing, 15 by 15. It's a pretty cool design if you look at it like this. Should have really been a black, make it stand out. And then take away the outline. And that is a pretty cool design. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.